back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It has been so long since I've posted and I am finally able to upload my stepdaughter's makeover here. Now this will be a part one because we are still working in this room. So this right here is my husband and my stepdaughter putting her desk together, and this was actually last year. So that is how long it has taken us. So I don't want to make this intro super long, but we have been super busy. My husband has a business. We have been busy here at home with projects. We got new windows installed. Like, it has been chaotic. There's just stuff going on all over the place. And I can't even begin to explain. It'll take, I don't know how long to explain it, but we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Now, all this footage here, this is footage that I was able to salvage. So my SD cards did get corrupted. I have about 4 or 5. I ended up purchasing new ones a couple of weeks ago. But this is some of the footage I was able to salvage. I got some pictures and a few videos, but yeah, this is everything I was able to salvage for this makeover. So it's gonna look kind of crazy. I try to put it together as best as I could. So this will be a part one, and then I will upload a part two. Now that everything is working, it'll be easier for me to film for a part two. We still have shelves to put up. We still have her curtains to put up. So, and just a little bit of organizing. I do want to do a closet makeover as well, but that will be for later because right now I'm still working on the accent wall in my living room. Now, if you follow me on TikTok, you'll know that I'm still not done with that as well. So it is just, kind of crazy, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's go ahead and get into it.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Okay, and we decided to go with the color Sunken Pool by Bear for her accent wall, and then for the rest of the walls we went with a white color and we chose Polar Bear. Now all whites are not the same, so this was very difficult because we did not want anything creamy, but after we painted it I thought maybe a little darker. It's a little bit too stark for me, but in the end, I mean, she likes it, so that's all that matters. She also decided that she wanted to do the door trims and the window trim the same color as the accent wall, which I was kind of hesitant, and then after I did it I still was like, oh, this just looks kind of off, but that's what she wanted. And then just recently I posted a TikTok where I painted the back of her door the same color as the accent wall. And I think that made it look much better because every time I would go in her room and clean it or do something, the doors were just bugging me. So I don't know if we're going to do her closet doors as well. I might do that too. I don't have a video on that. I do have it up on my TikTok if you guys want to check that out. But in the end, I love the way the room turned out, and it just made the room feel so much bigger. And she has all her stuff that she wanted because she did share this room with her brother. If you go back to my previous videos, you'll see that they both had a bed in here, a dresser, and I think a chest as well. So this room is pretty big, but the colors just kind of opens it up a little bit more.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die.
Okay, so this wall, I have to say, I think it's done. And then, so is this one. But from here, from like right here, we need a second coat. I'm not going to film that. We're just going to use some YouTube magic. but it took about 3 coats for this. I've never used primer before on a wall, but I should have, just because it's going from a dark color to a white color, so definitely use primer. Okay, it is quite a few days later, and it is late in the evening. It's about 5. I had a lot of things to do this morning, but I am going to go ahead and paint this trim. So my stepdaughter wants the trim to be the same color as this. I wasn't too sure about it. I'm still not sure about it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. We can always paint it white again. So I'm gonna paint this and this trim, and then she also wants this trim as well. Anyways, so this is what this looks like. I'm still not sure if I like it. Once my husband gets home, he'll take a look at it, see if he likes it. I think it looks a little weird, but maybe that's because I still can't visualize. The room is not done. So this still needs caulking at the top, and I still need to paint the rest of the trim at the top. And then it needs the pieces that we're going to put on here to give her the accent wall. And then we're going to do some shelving. There's going to be like a canopy, some shelves. So I just feel like the room is incomplete at the moment, but I don't know how I feel about this. It looks kind of weird to me, but I don't know. We'll see once the whole room is set up. If not, like I said, we can definitely paint this, paint over it. So. Okay, and here we are removing the doorknobs, and we're going to go ahead and scuff these doors, wipe them down, and paint them. Now, I will tell you that I did paint them the same color as the white, which is the color Polar Bear, but I used the Glidden brand, and I want to tell you, I will not use that brand again. It did not work for me. I'm just going to leave it at that. But I go ahead and paint them on the hinges. I don't really know why I taped the hinges, because I was going to replace them anyway, but if you do need to paint your doors on hinges, it is super easy. Just tape the hinges off and you'll be fine. Then I go ahead and show you the accent wall, and I did put like a border around the accent wall, and then I added all the other parts, but I don't show you that on camera because, like I said, my husband had to come and help me, and he was sick and he did not want to be on camera, but we got it all up. And you guys, I promise I will never do that again. It was really hard. The caulking was even worse. I thought it was easy. I've looked up so many YouTube videos and they make it look so easy, but not for this girl. It was hard, and I was just so frustrated. I said, you know what, I'm never doing anything like this again. But I ended up doing the accent wall here in my living room, which that one wasn't too bad. It required a lot of cutting because it was wood, but I will never be doing this again.
Tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
All right, guys, so it is about, I want to say, a couple of weeks after we put these up. So these were done off camera. I started off with one and I messed it up. My husband was actually sick, and he was in the other bedroom, and he just heard me. I was just struggling in here because this is, I guess, PVC, the material, so it's really flimsy. So every time I kept putting something up, it kept flopping down. So he came in here and he was like, he's like, okay, let me just help you here. So he ended up making me some templates for this side. This is 7 inches. And then he made me templates for here. This is 14 inches. So we spaced them apart. We did this off camera because I was just so frustrated. Plus he was sick. So he did not want to be on camera doing all that.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe. 'Cause
All right, y'all, every single nail hole is patched up. So are the parts that meet, and this is what my fingers look like. So I'm going to wait for all this to dry. So it'll turn white once it's dry, and then I will sand it.
here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe. 'Cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe. 'Cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
All right, y'all, I don't know how much I'm gonna put on video, but I've never caulked before, and this is turning into a big mess. Like, I'm just gonna be completely real. Like, I don't understand what I am doing wrong. I didn't cut it too thick, so I am just going to clean this off camera and see if I can finish. But caulking, I thought people make it look so easy on YouTube. It's pretty hard actually, and I don't like it. And I've only done this bottom part. You can see right there. It looks pretty, like, yes, it's covered up nicely, but then all this right here, I'm just going to wipe it down before it dries, and then I can't get it off. But yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to put on this on video, but I will tell you, I will caulk myself. But if I get too frustrated with it, I might not put it all on video, but oh my gosh, I don't like caulking. I thought I was going to, because like I said, people make it look so easy, but it's not. So let me get back to this, and I will catch you up later.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything.
All right, y'all, and here is when we were almost done, or thought we were almost done, but of course we needed shelving and other things. But here's where I put this little canopy up, and it's just from Five Below, nothing too expensive, because we wanted to test out to see if she wanted to get one, and we can get a bigger one off of Amazon, but we did not like it. It was just in the way, so we decided not to go with the canopy. But this is it for this video, you guys. I went ahead and ended it here. This is all the footage that I had. Everything else was corrupted, so I will have hopefully new footage, some shelving, some curtains, and then kind of organizing her bedroom, and then maybe adding a few more things. But that is going to be it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok because I will post more on there, and I will see you guys in my next one.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here